Hey everybody, this video is about combination permutations and factorials. So factorial denotes the product of decreasing positive whole numbers. Permutations of items are arrangements in which different sequences of the same items are counted separately. For example, if you have three letters ABC and the letter arrangements of ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CBA, and CAB are all counted separately as 6 different permutations. So in permutations, we do care about order of elements. In combinations of items are arrangements in which different sequences of the same items are counted as being the same. The letters arrangements of ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA are all considered to be same combination. That means in combination, we do not care about order of elements. Now, first question I have here is evaluate 6 factorial. So I have given you the steps. This is the steps you're going to follow. Now, next one is evaluate 10C6 using your TI-84. Please remember that we have done all of this manually in class, but now we're verifying with the calculator that our answers are correct or not. So what is first of all 10C6 means? That means you have 10 different items and you're choosing 6 items without replacement where order does not matter. Evaluate 9P4, that means you have 9 different items, choosing 4 of them without replacement where order does matter. So let's get started using calculator. First, how to find 6 factorials. So turn on your calculator, press 6, go to math, go all the way to the right, select PRB, and as you see, number 4 is the factorial. So use your scroll down arrow button, click on number 4 and enter. Now you have to enter again, so you have to enter twice in this model. So your answer to 6 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 is 720. Let's clear up and let's learn the second one, 10C6. Press 10. Go to math. Select PRB by using the scroll to the right arrow button. Choose number 3 which says NCR. Scroll down. Enter. And now if you notice 6 is missing, so we're going to enter 6 because that was our question was 10C6 and you entered. So that value is 210. Let's clear up. Let's find 9P4. You click on number 9, go to math, go to PRB, once you highlight PRB using the scroll to the right button, number 2 is the NPR. Select number 2, enter. And now we're choosing 4 numbers without replacement out of 9 different ones. So we enter 4 from your calculator and click enter. So that value is 3024. So hope you know now factorial, combination and permutations using your TID4. Hope this helps.